Today you are going to learn how to use Discord from zero. In 2026, if you are a complete beginner and Discord looks confusing, this guide is for you because when people open Discord for the first time, they feel lost. Too many buttons, too many sections too, many options, and they do not understand what anything means. But here's the truth. Discord is actually simple. You just need to understand the basics. So in this video, I will show you everything step by step from zero to confident user. Let's begin first. What is Discord? Is a communication platform. It allows you to chat, send messages, join voice calls, and create communities. People use Discord for gaming, for work, for studying, and for online groups. Now, step one, create your account, go to Discord, or download the app, sign up using your email, create a username and password. Now you are inside, but it may look confusing. So let's break it down. On the far left, you will see icons. These are servers. A server is like a community or a group. Each server is different. Some are for friends, some are for gaming, some are for learning. Now, when you click a server, you will see channels are sections inside the server. They help organize conversations. There are two main types, text channels and voice channels. Text channels are for typing. Messages, voice channels are for talking in real time. Now, step two, join a server. To join a server, you need an invite link. Someone sends you the link. You click it and you join instantly. Now you are inside a server. Click on a text channel, type a message, press enter, and you are chatting. Now click on a voice channel. You will join automatically. Your microphone will activate and you can talk. Now step three, create your own server. Click the plus icon, select create server. Choose a name and create. Now you have your own server. Can invite people, share your invite link, and build your own community. Now step four, create and manage channels inside your server. You can create channels. Click create channel. Choose text or voice. Give it a name. Now you can organize different topics. For example, general, chat, announcements, gaming, or help. Now step five, roles and permissions. This is very important. Roles control what people can do. For example, admin, moderator. Member admins have full control. Moderators help manage. Members can chat. You can assign roles to different people. Now step six, messaging features. In text channels, you can send messages, images, videos, links, and files. You can also reply to messages, mention users using the @ symbol, and react with emojis. Now step seven, voice and video. Join a voice channel. Turn on your mic. Start talking. You can also turn on your camera and share your screen. This is useful for meetings or gaming. Now step eight, notifications. Discord can send many notifications, so you need to control them. You can mute servers, mute channels, or customize alerts. This helps avoid distractions. Now step nine, user settings. Go to settings. Here you can change your profile, add a profile picture, change your username, adjust audio settings, control notifications, and improve your experience. Now, let's talk about practical tips. Tip one, do not join too many servers at the beginning. It will feel overwhelming. Tip two, explore slowly, learn one thing at a time. Tip three, use headphones for better audio. Tip four, respect server rules. Each server has its own rules. Now, common mistakes: joining random servers and getting confused, not understanding channels, ignoring notifications, and feeling overwhelmed. Avoid these, and you will learn faster. Now let's answer the big question: is Discord hard for beginners? No, it only looks complex at first, but once you use it, it becomes easy. After this, now understand how to use Discord from zero, step by step, and how to navigate with confidence in 2026.